Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to erase background from your image in the Photopea app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. Find the Photopea app, now open it. Here you can find the option of remove background. Simply go ahead and select it. Now to add the photo, tap onto the plus sign button at the middle like this. Now choose one photo that you want to remove the background of. Now you can see the image has been added. Now simply tap onto the remove background option right here. Then you can see the background has been erased successfully. And that's it. This is how you can erase the background from your image using the Photopea app. It is very easy and simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.